In today's video, I'm going to give you a simple 15 minutes day protocol that can help you a lot if you have any kind of liver problems, especially if you want a liver detox, and if you want to, in the meantime, with those protocol, remove your excessive weight. This is going to help you a lot. What if you could jumpstart your liver detox power and start shrinking stubborn belly fat in just 50 minutes a day? For over 25 years, I watched thousands of women restore their energy, heal their digestion, and slim their waistline with one simple ritual. I'm Mario Labudovic, and today I'll guide you step by step through my proven 50 minutes liver cleanse. And for the last 25 years, I've been working with the patients all around the world, and my specialty is going to be help you with your liver. If you, especially with natural remedies, with your weight gain, this is simple natural program, 50 minutes a day, is going to help you, I believe, a lot. Why your liver is key to belly fat and the toxins? Your liver is hardest working organ in your body. It filters blood, removes toxins, and breaks down the fat. After 50, hormonal changes slow down liver function. That means toxins build up, metabolism drops, and belly fat becomes stubborn and hard to lose. Even worse, when your liver is overloaded, it stores toxins inside fat cells, making weight loss nearly impossible. But the good news is, a simple daily 15-minute cleanse can reactivate your liver fat burning power and flush out years of toxin buildup. We're not living in the world that is unbelievably rise people that have sick liver. You will see, of course, over 50%, even more, a woman after 50 and even less are overweight. This is crucial, one of the hardest problems of the modern woman, but here we are here to help you. 3 signs your liver needs cleanse. Here are 3 most common flags. Persistent belly fat that won't budge, even with diet and exercise. Low energy or afternoon crashes, especially between 2 and 4 p.m. Digestive issues like bloating, heaviness after meal, or sluggish bowels. If any of those sound familiar, your liver may be crying for the help. This protocol is especially effective for women over 50. And this is why I need to recommend you something called unbelievably important. This is protocol for 15 minutes a day. My first recommendation is going to be for the first minute to the 5th minute. It's going to be special, easy to make drink that can help you a lot with your liver. This is liver ginger flush. Squeeze half of fresh lemon into warm water. Add 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. Sip slowly. Stimulates bile flow, ginger boosts circulation, and helps process toxins. You only need 3 simple ingredients: water, lemon, and the ginger. Mix it together, as I mentioned before. Sip it in the first 5 minutes. It's going to help you a lot with your liver and the flushing out the toxins. My second part is going to be Castor Oil Liver Pack. This is from the 6 to 10 minutes. 1-2 tablespoons of castor oil. Not hot. Massage on your upper right abdomen over the liver. Cover with the cloth and heating pot for the 5 minutes. Castor oil drops toxin out and stimulates the lymph flow. This means castor oil, everyone knows what castor oil is. You just need to rub it on your right part of the upper abdomen. You put a little bit of cloth above the castor oil and leave it for the 6 to 10 minutes. And this is 6 to 10 minutes protocol. After that, we will use something called deep liver breathing. This is from the 11 to 15 minutes. Lay down comfortably, hands on the liver area. Inhale deeply, expanding your belly. Exhale slowly, visualizing toxin leaving. This boosts energy flow and massage the liver for the faster detox. This ritual activates all 3 main detox pathways, lemon and ginger. This is phase 1 liver enzymes. They break toxins down. Castor oil, open lymphatic drainage, moves toxins out. And the deep breathing increases oxygen. This is powering phase 2 detox and neutralize toxins. Together, they can boost liver efficiency about 300% and reignite for the fat burning. And this is unbelievably important. This is not something that you need to do in the short period of time, just maybe 2 or 3 days. This is protocol that you can use 2 or 3 times a week, and you can make this for the couple of weeks even more, and this is really going to help you a lot with your liver. The enemies of your liver. To really succeed, you need to know what's silently damaging your liver every day. It's going to be refined sugar. They creates fatty deposits in the liver, promotes insulin resistance and the stubborn belly fat. Found in soda, sauces, healthy granola bars, swapped for the berry, raw honey or stevia. Remove alcohol, because over time it leads to fatty liver and the hormone imbalances. Avoid processed oils like vegetable, corn and the soybean. And you really must think about it. Something that is unbelievably important is going to be everyday medication that you use. This is unbelievably important because a lot of women after 50, they use a lot of medications. You really must know when you take a lot of medication each day, it's going to be damaging for your liver. This is something I would recommend it. If you don't need it, don't take any kind of medication. But this is, of course, one of the reasons why you have unhealthy liver. And especially you must avoid late night eating because the liver regenerates after night. Having meals before the bed overloaded and block its power and repair. Stop eating 2 to 3 hours before the sleep to give your liver a chance to heal. Most people try cleanses but forget this. Consistency beats intensity. Doing a harsh 7-day detox once a year won't help you go back to your sugar, alcohol and processed food. But 50 minutes a day repeated consistently rewires your metabolism and restore liver function for the long term. Here's how to start today. Commit to 15 minutes cleanse every morning for the 7 days. Remove one liver enemy this week: sugar, oils, alcohol or late night eating. Track your changes, energy, digestion and the belly fat moon. Within 1 month, most women notice flatter bellies, brightened skin, more energy, and easy weight loss. Your body is designed to heal, but only if you give your liver a daily care of that deserves. This is my recommendation: 50 minutes a day. For the first week, you can do it each day, but for the next 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks, you can do it maybe 3 times a week, maybe every other day, this kind of protocol, and I believe it's going to help you a lot. Lemon, ginger, castor oil, deep breathing, I believe this is going to help you a lot. But a lot of those information you have on my channel. I probably for the last 7 years, I was making probably over 200 videos about the liver health. This is just one of them. If you want to learn a lot more information what can help you with your liver in safe, natural way, watch my video right here. God bless you. God bless your family. See you in the next time. Bye bye.